Hey guys, we received this Sweetful coffee mug warmer for test and try. It's a 36-watt electric coffee mug warmer for desk. So it's a three temperature setting or the at one temperature controlled. So let me just show it to you. So you see a really nice glossy glassy surface on the top and the bottom is like a wooden touch. So it's have this perforated to dissipate the heat and this is the display and the start and off button. So this is this electric plug that we can just put in and see. So you can see like it shows there's a total three temperature setting or the timer with this 10 hour, 12 hour, 2 hour thing. So you can set anything up and then also this temperature setting. So once it's done, start feeling a little bit hot. You can put in your mug on the top and it will still just keep it warm. So it's a nice thing to have, like if you're a coffee or the tea fan, you want to keep your drink warm, just put it on your desk, put your cup, and then just put it. So I see to feel the heat and it start working and very nice mug warmer.